I should be a savage. Would've thought it turned me to a savage. Rather be tied up with calls and not strings. Write my own checks like I write what I sing. Yeah. Stop watching my neck, it's frozen. Make pay deposits, my gloss is dripping. You like my hair? She thinks, just do it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. Yeah, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it. Yeah. You like my hair? She thinks, just do it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. You wearing no ring, but ain't gon' mean no misses. I'm matching diamonds for 6 of my bitches. I'd rather spoil all my friends with my riches.
Collab.
Think we tell
Hi,
therapy my
Lena.
no addiction.
Hi,
Whoever said money can solve your problems must not have had
Hi,
enough for
everybody.
me to solve them. They say which one I say now. I want all of them. Happiness is the same price as red bottoms. My smile is beaming, my skin is gleaming. The way it shine, I know you seen it. I bought a crib just for the closet, both his and hers. I want it, I got it, yeah. I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got
Happy
it.
birthday, Lizzie.
My hair, she thinks, just do it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. My receipts be looking like phone numbers. If it ain't money, then wrong number. Black card is my business card. The way it be setting the tone for me. I don't need a brag, but I be like, put it in the bag, yeah. When you see the racks, they stacked up like my eyes, yeah. Shoot, go from the south to the booth, make it all back in one loop.
I
Give me
don't
that
know.
loot,
I
then
don't
I'ma get
like
the juice.
this.
Nothing but net when we shoot. Look at my neck, look at my neck. Ain't got enough money to pay me respect. Ain't no budget when I'm on the set. If I like it, then that's what I get, yeah. I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it. You like my hair? She thinks, just do it. I see it, I like
Hello,
it,
sa long
I want
ako.
it, I got it, yeah.
Ooh, let's go. Yeehaw. Yeehaw. Don't need no ring, but I promise.
Baby, I like your style.
Ooh, hi, Cardia.
Grips on your waist, front way, back way. You know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never run away, even when I'm away. OT, OT, there's never much love when we go OT. I pray to make it back in one piece. I pray, I pray. That's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me.
Baby, I like your style.
Strength and guidance, all that I'm wishing for my friends. Nobody makes it from my ends. I had to bust up the silence. You know you gotta stick by
Full
me.
day today at
Soon
Maulan.
as you see the text, reply me. I don't wanna spend time fighting. We got no time, and that's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me.
Ano ba to? Ano to eh? Drake. It's Drake. Baby, I like your style.
Where do you wanna go?
Yes, napunta po ako ng dating ngayon.
I'll take it slow.
GL series. Gusto ko, guys. Gusto ko talaga. Maybe I need to write it. Maybe I need to write the GL series. No?
Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go.
Basta po kayo.
Higher
Ako naman
powers
ako.
taking a hold
Basta po
on
ang
me.
fireball. Kahit pilay. Oo naman. Kahit pilay, magtatrabaho pa rin.
Whether you're relaxing at home or out and about, make your music move with you. With Premium, you can download your music at higher quality, listen to songs ad-free,
bro.
and play them
Oh,
in
I
any
see.
order.
Thank you.
Tap the banner to learn more.
Dami ko ng sa... Cisco, na party. Party?
With Premium, you get to focus on the music.
Avisala.
Explore a vast catalog of
speaking
millions of songs
mamaya
without hearing
nalalabas
ads.
yung Amihan.
Or download your playlists to listen to them
And
anywhere.
yung cosplay,
You can also play your favorite songs in any
episode
order
namin.
with the freedom to
So,
skip.
Nood na kayo. Kasi mamaya na yun. Ay, wow. Hi. Mamaya na yung Amihan cosplay. Task Force Firewall. Yes. So, please abangan nyo. Watch it. Mamayang 8:50 after the Master Cutter. Live with Luis. Walang taping si Luis today. Damn. Wala siyang taping today. Maybe another day. Kamusta naman? Na-enjoy niyo ba yung show namin? Madaming kaso na ang na-solve. Very important cases too also. They're like so timely. Lalo na yung papasok mamaya. Yung papasok na kaso mamaya, very timely siya. So yeah. Taping po ng Firewall. That's where I'm going. Punta na po ako doon. Ouch! Sakit ng pilay ko. I need a one dance. I see in my head. John Cena is watching. What? Kayo talaga. You and your nicknames. Shut up. My teeth. Hello. Ang bilis ng mga comment nyo. Hindi ko mabasa. Pagaling kayo. Yes. Gusto nyo ba makita? Wait lang. Why did I do this? Okay. Ayan. Na-sprain ko yung knee ko. And I have crutches. So, tuloy lang ang laban ng buhay. Diyos. No to Paxilica. No to AI. I do not like AI. Jara. Hi, Jara. Si Hex na lang asawa mo. Ayoko na may asawa si Isa. Single na lang. Just. Galing-galing na babae ni Isa. Na ano lang dahil sa asawa. Charot lang. Iyak nang iyak dahil sa lalaki. Ano ba yun? Di bagay. Galing-galing niya eh. Nakakalimutan niya kung gano'n siya kagaling. Yan sa lalaki. What the fudge? Mali. Nasa bahay po. Thank you. Nope. Sorry. I'm not in the mood to talk to others right now. Pag introvert talaga, may certain mood na hihintayin mo bago makipag-usap sa bagong tao. So, I'm not in the mood today. Salamat sa mga nanonood ng The Lotto Winner. Baby, I like your style. Oh, buddy, ano mo nga yung radyo? It's getting a bit. Yo. Lakasan mo nga. Okay. Lipat natin kasi wala akong namalabas.
Our trick or truth statement of the hour by the end of the hour, in this case by the end of the show. So there you go. Stay tuned as I tally your answers.
Hello?
Something from Icon and Bob. Here's butterfly feelings over here on Monster.
Okay na yan? Monster. Ayoko nga. Ayoko kahit kay Hex Diyos. Ayoko na kahit sino. Okay na yan, over. Hinaan mo konti. Konti lang. Okay. Malutong ba? Malutong ba yung sampal? Watermelon. Papunta na po. Punta na po ako sa work. Pag nanood ka talaga ng Lotto Winner, kailangan mo ng tissue. Pwede pa ba ako sa pageant? Diba? I'm too old for that na. Early 30s na ako, guys. Pwede pa ba ako sa pageant? Pero pangarap yun ng nanay ko para sa akin. Gusto niya mag-ano ako. Beauty queen. Kaso yung personality ko parang tatay ko eh. Sobrang cowboy ko.
Monster RX 93.1.
Lipat mo nga mga bad. Lipat ulit. Bulok na. No. I'm not with my dad right now. My dad is very busy. My religion? I'm Buddhist po. I am a Buddhist. Hello, papunta po ka ng taping ngayon. Ngayon na po yung episode pala ng cosplay ng Encantadia sa Task Force Fireball. So, nakad kayo guys. Peace. Excuse me. Kamukha ko si Han Sosi. Han Sosi? I agree. Charot. Bakit ganun? Siguro because of the weather, no? Parang wala ako sa mood today, guys. Because of the weather, siguro. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for saying that. It's very nice. Nakakakiti. Isang happy birthday naman. Happy birthday! Mamaya, yes. Nagsasani Puwersa ang Encantadia and Firewall mamaya. Tama. Pati mulawin pala. Dahil kay Pagaspas. Kay Miguel. Grapes. nagbabattle. Martin or si Luis? Charot. Kung si Martin, magkaaway kami ngayon. Just. Kung si Luis, ay, bating-bati kami. Sino ba ang kinakamusta nyo, guys? Kayo ganyan, nakot kayo ah. Protein bar po and grape. Nakain ko. Kain na pala guys, lunchtime na. Punta po ako ng taping. Sa school po sila. Thank you. What do you think? Sa Netflix movie ko. Pabutin na lang natin ng 1 million yung likes and then I'll go. So guys, tap niyo yung screen ko. Tap niyo yung screen ko, guys. Ang galing ko, umarte. Oh, thank you. Yung glow code, yes po. Effective po. Yung product na yun. I tried it on a new part of my body. And nag-work siya ulit. So, yes. Meron ako sa bag niyan, meron ako sa CR, meron ako sa kwarto. Para pag may chance ako mag-reapply, i-apply ko ulit. So yes, effective. Tap my screen, guys. Pabutin natin ng 1 million likes. Busog na ako. Thank you, Lord, sa pagkain. Hindi pwedeng tumalon si Isa kay Hex. Kahit hiwalayan niya pa si Martin. Dapat maging single muna siya. Ayaw natin ng rebound. Wow! Ayaw natin ng rebound, diba guys? Tama. Support dyan eh. Oo, nakakakilig. But, hindi tayo tatalon. Diba? Abot ba ng 1 million? Come on, guys! Double tappity tippity tappy. Double tappity tippity tap. Tap tappity tippity tap. Iwan ko na daw si Martin. Alam mo, parehas kami ng problema ni Isa eh. Parehas kami ng problema ni Isa kasi ang hirap ng annulment sa Pilipinas. Diyos ko, Lord. Ay, nako. Ba't pa kasi? Hashtag divorce bill, please. Yes to divorce. Hashtag yes to divorce. Hashtag yes to divorce. Just... Hulaan nyo kung anong age ko. Sige nga. Hulaan nyo, how old is me? How old do I look? How old is me? Grabe naman yung 38. 40? What? Do I really look 40? Wala pang tumatama. But I can see. Grabe naman yung 53. Sige, paangat. Ayun. May tumama. I am 33 years old, guys. 1993 baby. Mukhang 26. Thank you. Ang importante, diba? Hindi nakikita ang ating age. That's what's important here. Diba? Yan ang importante. January 25 po. 1992. What the hell? Send this gift to my life as a contributor. Help me achieve and become a super fan. Ooh. Ay, ganun pala yun. Ano daw? Hindi ko mabasa, guys. Ang bilis. I cannot read all of it at once. I don't care about the chismes. My God. Mukhang 22 lang. Masyado naman niya ako pinapakilig, guys. Uy, malapit na tayo mag 1 million. Swear, guys. Anong gagawin ko para sa inyo? If you give me 1 million likes, just go. Just go. Let's go. Grabe kayo. Grabe talaga kayo na ano ako. I'm so amazed, Balls, by your tapping power. Yung fingers nyo napakabilis. Wow! Pag ako... Ano ba to? Oh my God! 1 million na kagad! Holy! Thank you, guys! Sayo kami ni Martin. Sige. Or, ipaprank ko siya ulit. Char! Sinabi ko talaga dito. Anyway, yun na nga. Thank you, guys. Nandito na ako sa set. So, salamat at sinamahan niyo ako mag-commute papunta sa set. And sinamahan niyo akong kumain. I have to go down now because gagamitin ng mga anak ko yung sasakyan ko. And yeah, they need my car. So, bye! Ingat kayo! Ingat today. Ano? Ingat kayo today kasi maulan today. And I hope you have a good day. Stay safe. And hashtag no to Paxilica and hashtag yes to divorce. Bye!